chemistry class. I am Santosh sir with another video of chemistry. Today I am going to start next topic, that is oxidation number or oxidation state. Oxidation number or oxidation state. Our chapter is redox reaction. Lesson 8. Okay. Before this, we have already discussed the oxidation or oxidizing agent, reducing agent, oxidation, reduction, and redox reaction. That we have already discussed. To clear this, watch my previous video, what I have uploaded. Okay. So let us see the topic oxidation state. Here. First I will take some example, then I will define it. That is, if I am taking NaCl, and you might be knowing that Na positive charge and Cl negative charge. Okay. Other compound we have studied in class 10 like this, CaO, 2 minus charge and 2 plus. Even these are the compound. These are the compound. Okay. NaCl is ionic, that is also ionic compound. So what you are seeing here, charge on that is sodium has one positive charge, chloride negative, here calcium plus 2 and oxygen minus 2. Let us see, this charge is known as oxidation state. Oxidation state. So oxidation state of Na is, what is? Plus 1. Na is plus 1. Then what is charge on this? I think you will say negative charge. How much negative? 1. So oxidation state of Cl chloride is minus 1. Here Na plus, or we can say in this compound Na oxidation is plus 1 and Cl oxidation is minus 1. In that, calcium oxide oxidation is minus 2, oxygen oxidation is minus 2, and calcium oxidation is plus 2. Okay. So how can we define? One point to clear it. In ionic compounds, charges are clear, but in covalent compounds, charges are not developed on that, but they have charged. They have some charge. Yes. Okay. So let us see. We can define with the help of this. What may be definition? So we can define the charge possessed by an atom in a given compound. Charge possessed by an atom in a given compound is known as oxidation state or oxidation number. Let us take some example here. NaCl, which charge is being possessed by Na, positive charge, so oxidation state is plus 1. Here Cl is here and oxidation state is minus 1. So on this basis we can define it, the charge possessed by an atom in the given compound is known as oxidation state or oxidation number. Oxidation state or oxidation number. Okay, students. So some more example we can take here. That is, if I am taking here Na2SO4. Na2SO4. Other example I am getting here. Okay. And the modern like mostly acting here. That I wrote here. So what is this like this? So oxidation state is oxidation state of calcium is +2 here and oxygen is minus. So on this basis I have defined it. The charge possessed by an atom in a given compound is known as oxidation number. Okay. Before we start to calculate oxidation number, we have to see some rules. That is very known. So rule number first is what is rules? How to calculate oxidation number. Okay. First rule is that elements in free state are in zero oxidation state. Elements in free state means uncombined state are in zero oxidation state. That is, if I am writing Cl2 H2 O2 and 2 are in free state, or we can write other atoms also, like this. If I go to Na, this also okay in free state, and over and if I wrote like this, it may be atom may be diatomic. Why diatomic? Choosium, so it is diatomic. That is diatomic, that is monatomic, that is monatomic. Okay. So elements or atom in free state are in zero oxidation state. So what is there? Zero oxidation state. There is oxidation state is zero. Free state means they are not forming bond to other atoms. In free state, they have zero oxidation state. Second, ions, how much charges they have equal to oxidation state. Second point you can see. First I can write like this. If I put this one, Fe3 plus Cu2 plus and Na plus. So oxidation state of these are equal to charges possessed by them. So what is the oxidation state? Oxidation state of this one is 3. Oxidation state of this one is 2. And oxidation state of this one is +1. And here if I wrote this one as 2 minus, so oxidation state of this one is 2 minus. Okay. 2 point I give here. Elements or atom in the free state are in zero state, in zero oxidation state. Here like this, oxidation state is zero. Understand this? This way ions possess the positive or negative charges equal to oxidation state. How much charge it possess? 3. Oxidation is 3. Here 2, there +1 and here -2. Okay. Third point is the oxidation state of oxygen is, the oxidation number of oxygen is in most of the compounds is -2. The oxidation number of oxygen in most of the most of the compound, most of the compound, most of the compound is minus 2. Oxidation state or oxidation number of oxygen in most of the compound is minus 2. However, it has some exception. Means oxygen shows a variation in oxidation state. So exception you will see. Exception is this. There are 3 exceptions here. First is this. First is this. In case of peroxide, in peroxide, I will say peroxide. In peroxide, OS means oxidation state of oxidation is minus 1. Minus 1. I will write some example like this S2O2 and N2 in this. So, second point, in case of superoxide, in case of superoxide, in case of superoxide, oxidation state of oxygen is minus 1. Oxidation state of oxygen is minus 1. Okay. So, to example, I wrote here NQ2 and in ReO2. Third point is this: oxygen so plus 2 oxidation state, plus 2 oxidation state, oxidation state when bonded to fluorine F2. So here what we have seen here, oxygen, so plus 2 oxidation state when bonded to F2 means like OF2 compound, oxidation state of oxygen is plus 2. Okay. Here the oxidation state of hydrogen, third point, this is fourth point, oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1. But when bonded to metals means metals and forming binding compound, metals is minus 1. I will give you example here. I am writing here HCl. So your hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1. Oxidation state is plus But if I am writing here CaH2 and NaH, CaH2 and NaH or LiH. So oxidation state is here -1. So in maximum cases means we can say metal hydride. What is metal hydrides? Metal hydrides. In case of metal hydrides, oxidation state is what is -1. Next, you can see here. Next one is fifth one. Fluorine oxidation state. We can write here hydrogens oxidation state is -1. You know that hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, oxygen. Okay, this -1. And in that fluorine always show -1 oxidation state. But other elements of this like chlorine, bromine, Cl, chloride, bromide form oxy acid so plus oxidation state. Okay, next if we see here that 6 is that the sum of the oxidation state of the element must be 0. The sum of the oxidation state of a given compound must be 0. The sum of the oxidation state must be 0. The sum of the oxidation state must be 0 in a compound, in given compound. Must be 0 in given compound. I will give example here. Okay, but in case of ions, that is equal to charges possessed by ion here. But in case ions, it must be equal to charge possessed by ionic compound, possessed by ionic compound. Compound are ions. So I will clear it by taking some example here. So here I wrote this charges. The sum of the oxidation state must be equal to 0. The sum of the charges of compound must be zero. The sum of the charges of oxidation state must be zero. Oxidation state of Na is what is? Oxidation state of Na is that plus 1 and Z is minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. Here CO2 plus 4 minus 4 equals 0. Here CO3 minus, so charge, sum of the charges must be equal to charge carried by the ion. Okay, so here you may be confused about this and about this, because we have not started to calculate the oxidation state, so maybe confusion here. Sir has written here, we don't know how to write there, and sir has how they written. So when you will learn how to calculate the oxidation state, it will be easy for you, but for timing you can assume this. I will give some example, then the things will be clear. Okay students, so other points I would like to tell you that sixth point, 7th point, the oxidation state of first A elements in their compounds is plus 1, like that: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubium, cesium and francium. So you can learn little. Okay. Next point, 8th point is that oxidation state of second A elements in their compounds is plus 2, like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, barium, strontium and radium. So simple example I will give you there. Here from this I would like to give an example. Here NaCl, you take NaCl. So what is oxidation state? Oxidation state of Na is plus 1, hear it. And here if I am making calcium oxide, what is calcium oxide? And oxidation state of calcium is plus 2. Okay students, so these points you should revise twice, thrice, then it will be easy to calculate the oxidation states of atom in the given compounds. So let us take some example and we will learn how to calculate the oxidation state of atom in a given compound. Okay. So first point is this: in free state, like this: Cl2, Br2, N2, I2, O2, carbon, ferrite and etc. This may be more. If they are in free state like this alone, that we can say in alone. So in that case, oxidation state of this is 0. Understand? In ions, charges carried by the ion is equal to oxidation state. Like this, if I am writing Na plus, oxidation is plus 1, S2 minus sulfide, oxidation is minus 2, and chloride, oxidation is this. If it is in this, like this, oxidation state is plus 3. If this plus 2 is there, so oxidation state is plus 2. So these are very easy to understand. Okay, means in free state 0, and in ions what charges are being possessed by them is equal to oxidation state of that. So oxidation state of sodium ion is plus 1, this minus 2, like this, like this. Okay. So here I have taken one example. This is this compound. What is compound? Okay. I have taken H2SO4, and here I am going to calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. Oxidation state of sulfur. So let us see how it will be calculated. So first, whose we are going to calculate, we don't know. Whose we are going to calculate, we don't know. So we have to assume that let the oxidation state of sulfur, we are going to calculate sulfur oxidation state, is X. Clear here? I think it is clear. Any doubt there? Some students have doubt, so it will be clear. Okay, let us see here. So I have told oxidation state is plus 2, and how many atoms are there? 2. First we will write number of atoms, and then in bracket we will write oxidation state. This clear? Hydrogen 2 and oxidation of hydrogen is plus 2. Sulfur, we assume that is X. I wrote here. Then oxygen is there, and number of atom of oxygen is 4, and mostly oxidation state of oxygen is, you can go back, what is oxidation state of oxygen? Mostly the oxidation state of oxygen is minus what? Minus 2. Okay, so here minus 2 I wrote, equal 0. Equal 0. So let me write plus 2 plus x minus 8 equals 0. Clear? We will multiply, we will remove bracket and multiply. Then we will solve these two. So x minus 8 plus 2 equals 0. X here, so minus 8 and plus 2, that will be minus 6 equals 0. Equal 0. And x equal plus 6. So one point you have to remember it, the oxidation number of atoms may be changed in different compounds. So don't be tense about this. In one compound, maybe other oxidation state. Okay, we have discussed one, and next example. One point I would like to remind you. Point is that you can note it. Oxidation state is always denoted with sign, is either plus or minus. Other point, oxidation state may be changed compound to compound to compound. Okay. So students, these points should be noted. Okay. So I have taken one example. I have taken that SSO4. I am taking another example to calculate the oxidation state. So let me take here. I am taking this one CO2, and we have to calculate the oxidation state of carbon. Which one we have to calculate? Oxidation state of carbon we will calculate. So let the oxidation state of carbon is X. Let the oxidation state of carbon is X. Then X, number of oxidation 2, and what is the oxidation state in normal cases? -2. X plus, here it will multiply, that will be minus. X minus 4 equals 0. X equal plus 4. Plus 4. This I gave you in case of sum. So sum of the oxidation number must be 0. There I told you do this. So here oxidation state of carbon is plus 4 and oxidation state of oxygen is, number of oxygen is how much? 2, and oxidation state is this. So plus 4 and minus 4 equals 0. Okay, and here 0 equal 0. So now clear? In that I told. So now it is clear. Okay. So we can calculate the oxidation state. Other example I am taking here. I am taking this one. Any compound you can take, and in that you can calculate the oxidation state. Like this, I am taking here CH4. So here we have to calculate oxidation state of carbon. Let the oxidation state of carbon is X, and hydrogen you might be knowing what is plus 1, and number of hydrogen is 4. So plus 1 here equals 0. X minus, plus 4 equals 0. X equal minus 4. So like this we can calculate the oxidation state of the atoms. Next I am going to calculate the oxidation state of ions, that is composed of more than 2 atoms. Like this, if I am taking here carbonate CO3 2 minus, I am going to calculate oxidation state of carbon. Let the oxidation state of carbon is X. So I will write X, number of oxygen atom is 3, oxidation state. What is oxidation state? That is -2 equal minus 2 equal minus 2. So let us calculate here. -6 equal -2, and X equal -2 plus 6. So X equal plus 4. X equal plus 4. This example I gave there also. So we can do sum of the oxidation state. In case of ions, sum of the oxidation state must be equal to charges carried by ion. So here carbon plus 4 and oxygen, what is that? Minus 2, and 3 is there, minus 2 equal minus 2. So plus 4 minus 6 equal minus 2. So minus 2 equal minus 2. So right side and left sides are equal. Yes, this is clear. Another example I am going to take. Another example, here I am taking SO4 2 minus. So here I am going to calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. Let the oxidation state of sulfur is X, and oxidation state of oxygen is what is? Minus 2, and number of oxygen atoms is this, yes, and the oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2 equal minus 2. X minus 8 equal minus 2, X equal minus 2 plus 8, X equal plus 6. So what is the oxidation state? Your oxidation state is plus 6. Okay children? So like this we can calculate some more examples you can solve. It may be given in your book. So some more examples, some more questions you can solve from your book, that will be clear to you. So some compound I am giving you, just you solve the oxidation number here. So from your book I am giving, that is question number first. From your exercise, that is question number, which question number? Question number first. So some compounds are there. I am writing here 8.1. 8.1. Here you have to calculate oxidation state of underlying atoms. Na(H2)P4. This in B H2, sorry, in B NaHSO4. In this you have to calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. In C H4P2O7. In this you have to calculate the oxidation state of P. And D is that K2MnO4. In this you have to calculate the oxidation state of Mn, and the rest you note and calculate the oxidation state of underlying atoms in a given compound. Okay students, so today we have finished oxidation number, oxidation state, and how to calculate the oxidation state. Okay students, so thank you so much. Keep watching my video. If you understood whatever I taught, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.